13 people, including one soldier, died in a firing incident in Nagaland's Mon district on Saturday evening. Reports say security forces had opened fire on a group of labourers returning home from work in a pickup van. The incident happened between Oting and Tiru villages. Police in Kohima are investigating whether it was a case of mistaken identity, and a high-level SIT probe has been ordered. Tensions have been simmering in the state since the incident. Visuals showed angry locals surround an Assam Rifles camp and vandalize property, even as Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio appealed for calm. Union Home Minister Amit Shah called farmers' leaders Saturday night to discuss the remaining issues with them. This came after their year-long campaign to repeal the 3 new agricultural laws bore fruit, forcing the government to withdraw them. The growers announced a 5-member panel to hold talks with the government. For now, the farmers will continue the protest over their demands, like widening the minimum support price or MSP program that guarantees prices for certain crops, and dropping cases that were filed against protesters over the last 1 year. Punjab's Aam Aadmi Party President Bhagwant Mann on Sunday claimed a senior BJP leader offered him money and a place in the union cabinet to join their party ahead of the state assembly polls next year. He hit out at the BJP for quote-unquote horse trading and asserted that he could not be bought. The BJP has rubbished these allegations and challenged Mann to name the senior leader. Without naming the BJP leader, Mann claimed that he got a call 4 days ago and was asked, "Tell me, what do you want to join the BJP? Do you want money?" National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah said on Sunday that just as the farmers struggled for almost a year and made sacrifices to get the 3 contentious farm laws repealed in Parliament, we are ready to make sacrifices to take back our rights. He was addressing party workers at a youth convention on the occasion of the birth anniversary of his father, Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah. Without naming Union Minister Amit Shah, Abdullah said, "In Delhi they talk about how tourism has increased, as if tourism is everything. What about the 50,000 jobs you promised? Where are those jobs? In fact, you are terminating those in service," he said. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced on Sunday that if the Aam Aadmi Party formed the next government in Goa, it would give 1,000 rupees per month to all women above the age of 18 years. The Aam Aadmi Party national convener added that the move was perhaps the world's biggest women empowerment program. Kejriwal said no government in any part of the world has implemented such a scheme. What is women empowerment? It is when women remain financially independent. There's power in money. When women have their own money, they will achieve freedom, he was quoted as saying.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.